Good morning to everyone. My lesson is dividing fraction by a whole number. Example. Okay, this is my given. 2/3 divided by 4. First in line, so we're going to write 2/3. Then reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. And then is the sign of the division ng multiplication. Multiply the numerator by denominator. First, 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 4 equals 12, or divide natin 2 divided by 2 is 1, and divided by 2 equals 6. Ibig sabihin po, 2 over 12 is not a final answer, but there is a sixth form. So 12 of them divided 2, so the final answer is 1 over 6. Thank you po.